And yeah, it's doing everything on its own. I'm not doing anything. It automatically fills everything. Click and then ask them for a referral. That's not the ideal way. So you need to do your own homework. Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil, and what if I told you that if you can turn your 1% chance of being interviewed into something actually realistic? In this video, I'll be showing you the LinkedIn referral strategy that actually works and how to automate the entire thing. So let's dive in. Let's begin with LinkedIn. When you're looking for a job, let's say you found this position, a low latency developer role at Tower Research Capital, and you want to apply for it. To increase your chances, as you know, you should always ask for a referral. If you directly apply here, the chances of getting an interview reduce dramatically. It becomes almost impossible because there are already 100 people who have applied. This was posted 3 days ago, and we're at the end of the year during the holiday season, but still. So, what you need to do is to go to the company profile, go to the people section. What people usually do is to find someone, let's say Karthik, he's an SG2, then send him a connection request, wait for them to accept the invitation, and then ask them for a referral. That's not the ideal way. Let me show you how you can expedite that process. Whenever you see such an opening, go to the company profile, go to the people section, and instead of directly sending them a connection request, add a note. In that note, you need three things. First, they need to know about you, what you do, your experience, and your tech stack, and how good you are at problem solving. For this, you can mention your lead code profile, code forces, or anything that shows your problem solving ability. Second, remember they are working professionals. If you just tell them, is there any opening for me? They're not going to sit down, go to their career site, and look for a suitable role for you. No one has that much free time. Everyone is busy with their work, so you need to do your own homework. You need to find a job ID, look at the job description, and see if you're eligible. Go through it properly, and only if you're qualified for that job and you think you're really good fit, then reach out to them with the job ID and your resume. Now, how do you send your resume? When you send an invite here, there's no option to attach a file. So what you can do is to create a link to your resume, upload it to Google Drive, click share, and then copy link, and you've got a link. So I'll copy this link. Now the length of this URL is very long, and you have about 200 characters limit here. So if you paste that, you'll be wasting a lot of your character limit. What you can do is to go to a short link site like sorturl.ai or bit.ly and create a short link for your resume. After that, it will look something like this. Once you create a short link and paste it, it will directly open your resume. For this invitation, I prepared a template you can use. Just replace it with the first name here, change the company name, the job role, and the job ID. These are the fields you need to change along with the resume link here. This is the message you want to send to people. Now I don't have LinkedIn Premium. If you have LinkedIn Premium, you would have around 300 characters for a custom invite message. I can reduce it down to this. Now it's good to go and I can send this. Basically, you have to send this custom invite to around 20 to 25 people to increase your chances. And here's a tip, send the invites to engineering managers or at least someone senior, like a lead. Okay, so if you want to automate this, you can use Perplexity Commit or ChatGPT Atlas. So let's say you want to completely automate everything, starting from apply button to finding people and then sending them custom invites. What you can do is to give it instructions like this. Then you paste your template. You can ask it to replace your first name, company name, a job role. This will be the job ID, a random number, and this will be your experience and your resume link. Just send it and watch it do everything for you. Now let's see what it does. It has shortlisted these roles. which are all mostly back-end positions, and now it's updating its to-do list with the people it will reach out to. It's looking for any company alumni who may be working at the same company, though I don't think that's very useful, but let's see what it does. Now it's going to team viewers company page. It went to the people section, and so now it's going to the team viewers company page. It went to the people section. Now it will search for engineering managers, and yeah, it's doing everything on its own. I'm not doing anything. I'm just sitting and watching. It's comparing the list. Now it will send them a connection request with the custom message. And it's done. So if you want to automate the applications, let me show you another useful tool, which is the Simplify Copilot. I think you need to sign up first. Once you do that, let's say you found a job here. You can just click on this autofill button and it will automatically fill everything. It will also attach your resume. So that's how you can automate your job applications on sites like Greenhouse, Workday, and several others. I think it covers most of the popular ones. Let's see if it works on this one. This is Workday. If I click on apply manually and just let me log in. So if you want to fill this application, just click on this button. It automatically fills everything. Click continue. Now click on this. It will add the work experience and my educational details. All right, that's it. So that's how you do this. And we have another tool called Weekday. This is also a good alternative and it works well. So yeah, that was the demo. Hope you found this useful, and you can use these techniques on any other sites like Instahire or Naukri. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more such videos. See you in the next one.